In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed PowerPoint in OneNote. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your slides into OneNote so you can study, present, or collaborate with your notes right alongside your deck. First, open Microsoft OneNote on your computer and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. If you use both personal and work accounts, double check the profile shown in the top corner so the content ends up in the right place and syncs to the devices you expect. Next, decide where this PowerPoint should live. Navigate to the notebook, then the section, and finally the specific page where you want the slides to appear. If you don't have a page ready, create a new one and give it a clear name, like the presentation title or meeting date, to keep everything organized. Now go to the ribbon at the top and select the Insert tab. This is where OneNote brings in files, media, and other content. From here, choose File Printout. If the presentation you plan to use is already saved as a PDF, you may see the option called PDF Printout instead. That works the same way and produces the same kind of slide images. A file browser window will open. Locate your PowerPoint file with the .pptx extension. You can browse to your desktop, documents, or a cloud location like OneDrive or SharePoint. Pick the file you need, making sure it's the final or most up-to-date version to avoid confusion later. Click Insert to begin. OneNote will start embedding the content onto your page. Depending on the number of slides and the size of the file, this might take a moment. It helps to pause while it processes, especially if your notebook is stored in the cloud. Once it's done, you'll see three things on the page: a PowerPoint file icon, a link that opens the original file in PowerPoint, and images of all your slides laid out in order. The images are essentially printed snapshots of each slide. You can move them around, resize them, or rearrange them to fit your note-taking style. If you ever need to edit the actual deck, use the link or the icon to open the original. Now you're ready to take notes. Click anywhere next to a slide image to type thoughts, action items, or speaker cues. If you prefer handwriting or sketching, switch to the Draw tab to annotate directly on top of the slide images with a stylus or mouse. You can highlight key points, circle important data, and add arrows or callouts. Feel free to add checkboxes, tags, or additional text blocks to structure your ideas. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.